Hi, let's begin with the introduction. Here's the first chord, and you will have the D major composed of the D, the F sharp, and the A, and the bass note of D. Then, the B minor composed of the D, the F sharp, and the B, and the bass note of B. And eventually, the G major composed of the D, the G, and the B, and the bass note of G. And you're gonna play these chords like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And you'll need to play this progression twice to complete the introduction. You could also use arpeggios, and you will need to refer to the number of bass notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And you play this chart twice to complete the introduction, and you will then move on to the verse with this same chart. Torn down, full of aching. Somehow our youth would take the blame. Worn out, the way we let it stay. And you replay this chart one last time. But you could also play these chords using arpeggios. Taught how to celebrate it all out. I'd replicate your pain, climb down, if only for a taste. Next, you will move on to a musical section that will be played with this new progression, but you will be keeping the same playing method. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Or in arpeggios. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. To play the second verse, you will need to go back to the first chart and play it twice, then you can move on to the chorus. So let me display the corresponding chart, and it would sound like this. Let it lead your love away. I never strayed. Or you could play this in arpeggios. Let it lead your love away. I never strayed. Let it bury you away in all your blame, in all your pain. I will carry you always. At this point, you will need to play the D major and keep playing it until the song starts again. You will then use the chorus chart, play the first section 6 times, then move on to the second section, and you can finish the song with the introduction chart and the D major chord. I wish you good luck for this one, and I will see you in the next one.